So yes, I'm Bhavna Singh and I'm here to share my vision towards fashion, personality, style, trends, and yes, the most important, how to own the room when you walk in. Okay, so let me start with something very personal. Let me go to ground level. When I was a young girl, I didn't have a privilege for the classrooms. So I just did my 12th standard. All the students over there, they were studying what to do in life. But my subject was very different. I was studying what not to do in life. And that gave me courage. And from there, a very young girl, started serving on tables as a waitress. Today, a woman who serves the food of life to the same tables. Tables have turned, isn't it? They have turned. A girl who didn't have any financial support, any parent support, any sibling support, and any financial support, and no degree support. But today, she's standing here. How come? People, they ask me this. The answer goes, my experiences. And then the question comes, how? And the answer says, failure. So yes, I have failed a lot in my life, a lot. But I was the one who made my weaknesses my strength. So I was saying, yes, fashion really helped me, but we quite think that fashion and trends, if we don't follow them, we don't live in this world. They come, they go. They are fads. But style is something you own. It's here. It's inside. But people, they say, style cannot be achieved. It comes through genes from ancestors. No, it can. If you know how to play in the real playground of the world, your experiences, they teach you the style. How did I learn? At a very young age, I started on one thing, that was what not to do in life, right? As I told you guys. Yeah. And I started observing people. So, it was very clear. I used to observe, not absorb. I used to observe, not absorb. So people, they taught me what not to do in life. I got to know from their body languages. Oh, this is something I don't want to do. Right? So fashion, trend, style, everything is very important. Personality is important. Your communication skills are important. But yes, get into the real world and then learn. Education is really important. It's making you, it's grooming you. But once you get into the real world, real playground, people will teach you what not to do. And then, when you have all the aspects, fashion, trends, who are not your friends, they are just there with you for a while. But style is gonna be with you forever. And style is always according to the profession you are in, the person you are. Style has such an impact and with your body language that you guys understand, like once you wear something very lousy, your body language changes. Once you're in a power suit like me, your body language changes. So that's important. if you want to change your body language with your style, you need to dress well. You don't need to be lousy. And that's the rule of this world. If you want to learn, if you want to earn, you need to have a personality. Or else, you're outside the door. No matter how many degrees you own, you will be outside the door. You might enter once, but your personality will open many doors for you. Many. A girl who's just 12 pass has opened all the doors for herself. So, you guys are privileged enough. You have all the aspects. You don't have to struggle. But remember, if you go to ground zero, you struggle, you see what it takes to be here, not there. Because it's very easy to reach there, but it's very tough to survive there. Once you know the zest, once you know the mathematics of staying here, that is very easy. And then the point comes, tough to survive there. Then comes your personality to survive in that level. But remember, when you reach here, don't forget people who are here. Help them. Hold their hands and bring them there. So that things become easy for everybody that is here, right? So, in the end, I would just say one thing. If you want to transform yourself, you just need one thing. That is extra. And you have to put that extra just before ordinary.